to burn off the extra energy after his little nap. So we're going out to the fields. There's Grandpa's Jeep.
Nice white sneakers on.
Oh, don't worry. I'm coming. He's in the bushes. He wants his privacy.
He's eating grass. Maybe he thinks he's a cow. Does he think he's a cow?
Hey, let's go in there.
I'm never going to be able to keep it. Matthew!
We'll walk down and across, and we have a mini forest to go through.
Oh, really?
The trees are trenched.
Oh, good, good.
There's pathways through the middle.
Liz? Oh, that's lovely.
I want farm.
Now there's...
We're going to cut across the field now into our mini forest.
God, they're lovely. They're so
Joshua
pleasant.
calls it the mini forest.
The mini forest.
Let's go see the forest.
Oh, imagine when this is all grass now.
They might be, but we'll see when we get over.
The mini
We
forest
often
is
to be there
over.
in the evening now at the back of the barn.
We're going to see Casey's horses. There's about 9 horses there, and they're, you know, some of them haven't been broken in, some of them have. So we're hoping that we get to see some tonight now for Matthew. This is rough terrain.
Look up. Do you see her?
This is Gertrude. She
Oh,
lives
see
here.
her there? She's white.
She's having a little rest.
Sometimes she's there, sometimes she's at the end.
This is
She
the...
lives here now.
Really?
Yeah. The others go home wherever
She
they...
stays.
She stays.
That's gas.
That's
What I tried to
Gertrude.
do.
White horses.
The horses aren't in here, babe. There's no
Is she warm
horses in
enough, do you
Grandad's.
think?
Good food.
Oh yes, because the heat you see at the roof.
Oh, right. Oh, the sun coming in. You
But they
see.
don't feel their body temperature is 40 degrees.
Oh, that's very
Yes.
hot.
When Matilda was living here for 6 months, she was a racing pigeon who moved in.
Yeah.
I got a book out of the library on pigeons and I read it.
Yeah.
So that's how I know.
That's amazing. Liz, you're on a big mountain. Big rock pile. And climbing up to the top of the hill. Cool.
It's a bit too high for you, babe.
Oh, come down.
It's a bit too...
Yeah. He can open the mailbox now himself and take it out.
Oh,
They're for you.
They're probably warm, Mum.
Okay.
No more stones, darling. No,
No stones near the windows.
no, dangerous. Matthew,
The window.
Matthew, do you want
No, babe, no stones near the house.
Matthew?
Only in the field.
Only in the rock.
Oh, look. Oh, madam.
I know, we're not going in, Matthew. Not going in yet.
No. It's a nice evening. Get one in on a door. Ow. Cramping my finger.
Probably a bit of reflection on the glass.
Yeah. There's Grandpa.
Back and forth.
Right, dinner time.
Okay.
It's 10:30 at night and poor Nana Dorn is still working. From babysitting to chasing Matthew to cooking and tidying and laundry, and we're driving her to the point of exhaustion. So she'll need a week in a health farm after we leave here. And then we're going to have a cup of Irish tea and maybe a scone. So good night for tonight. Matthew Dorn is still awake and Romy's in bed. Bye. Matthew?
What?